Alright, this is the third video in the Marine Transportation Steel Bolt Hull project. I've opened up SolidWorks here, and I'm going to open up a template for our drawing. So you can follow me. We're going to go to File, Open. You're going to go to the Student Share. You're going to go to LOLHS, and we're going to go to Technology and High School Technology, Marine Transportation, Boat Drawing Template. First thing we're going to do right from the start is we're going to go to File, Save As, and we're not going to save this as a template. We're going to save it as a regular drawing file. This is an important step. And we're going to save it not to the shared drive, but you're going to go to your My Documents folder and find the folder that you've been doing your work in. I've got mine in Marine Transportation, so I'm going to save it here, and I'm going to call it my last name, first initial, boat, and it will save it as a drawing file. So I'm going to hit save. Alright, notice that the name on the sheet is changed from what I had before as a template to your boat. Alright, now we need to pull in your boat that you've completed onto the sheet. So we can do that a number of different ways. We can, oops, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go over here to View Layout and go to Model View, and I'm going to browse for my part. My part is in my Marine Transportation folder, and I forgot which one it is, so I'm going to view details and look at. This is date modified is today. I'm going to open up this one. When it pulls it in, it's going to create a folded view, so we need to change that. We're going to come over here and go to Flat Pattern, and we want to rotate that flat pattern 90 degrees. That looks good, and I'm going to see if I can use a custom scale and change this to user defined and put in a value of 1:1.25 for my scale, just to get it as big as I can, fit it in here. Okay. Now we've got our flat pattern, and notice it tells us what angles we want to fold these things to and what direction we want to fold them. So I'm going to hit save, and the next thing we're going to do is print this to the tech copier in the library. So we're going to go to File and go to Print Preview. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. Close. Go to File and go to Print. We are going to go to Preview, but just a minute. We need to pick the tech copier first. We need to go to Properties and make sure we're telling it that we're going to a tabloid size piece of paper, which is 11 by 17, and that we're going to select a landscape option. Now if we hit preview, it should be oops, that didn't, still not happy. Close. Let's try that one more time. Print, tech copier, page setup. Page setup needs to be 11 by 17, and let me just check the properties again. We're on landscape. This says, let's see if we change this back to 11 by 17. Hit OK. I'm going to just check page setup one more time. That looks correct. Let's try a preview now. That looks much better. So once you have this, this is going to go to the tech copier on a full-size sheet. I'm going to hit print and hit OK. And that takes it for this lesson.